Hi. So in this video, I just like to share about my experience preparing for the conference sessions. Honestly, I would have done much better, but I just hope that this video is going to help someone that is preparing to attend AWS reInvent or any other huge conferences. Yeah, so let's get into it.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving.
Thank you. First off, there were over 3,000 sessions throughout the week, which means that there were hundreds of them happening simultaneously per day. This is a lot, and it gets overwhelming. Even myself, I didn't even know where to begin. Now, the first thing that they will do after you have been accepted into the program is they give you access to AWS reInvent portal. This is where you can find an overview of all the sessions that are going to be happening throughout the week, and you can pick the ones that you're actually interested in. And the good thing is that they have these filters where you can filter out or narrow down the searches according to area of interest, session types, date, venue, and a lot of other filters that you can use. My only regret is that I did not leverage this. I did not pick out any sessions that I really liked, mainly because I was so focused on trying to get my visa. Now, this is a very bad move because it's like I was half in, half out. Half in the sense that I was still pushing for my visa, still believing that I would attend the event, but then half out because I had given up on all the sessions. Like, because the visa is giving me problems, I cannot just go ahead and look for the sessions, and that's really bad because in the end I just had all the 3,000 sessions on my plate the time that I attended the event. Now, let me tell you, if you ever find yourself in a similar position like I was, I just would advise you to go ahead and choose the sessions that you actually like, because firstly, you'll be given the chance to watch them online. So even if you don't go there physically, you will know which ones you actually like, which ones you would actually want to attend online. So it's still a win-win in the end. So yeah. Now looking back, here's what I would have done differently to make my experience much smoother and more rewarding. Focus on practical hands-on sessions. Well, I'll definitely pick those sessions that are interactive, more conversational, because these presentations, speeches, well, they are awesome. Yeah, they are really cool, but they are recorded and you can always catch up on them later. Like, I missed a few of them and I'm still watching them, trying to pick up a few things from them. But those that I missed that were hands-on, that were practical, I would never go back to those ones. They are gone. Like, yeah, so that's why next time I would actually pick those interactive sessions. Choose sessions that are in the same venue. So the conference takes place across different venues, and on the first day I spent a ton of time just trying to move from one venue to another, just trying to figure out where is MGM, where is Mandalay Bay, and I wish I had known area that I was supposed to just choose the sessions that are in one venue and then spend the whole day right there. By the time that I was getting there, like on the second day, I just made a conscious decision to say I'm going to just be at the Venetian. Well, I went to MGM and the other side as well for one session, but that was just it, because you would spend an hour or so just to be moving to that venue, and then you also have to add another hour to be coming back, and that's just a waste of time. But it took me like 10 to 15 minutes to just move from one room to another at the Venetian, and this was still quite a lot, but it's okay, it's manageable, I would say. So yeah, but then again, if you do not like crowded places, don't choose Venetian. If you do not like seeing like a lot of people, a lot of things like that, don't choose Venetian. Go to MGM and Lebe would be much better because it's much quieter and there are not like a lot of people. having conversations with the AWS event alumni. These people have been to the conference before and they know everything. They like know what to expect and what not to expect, what to do and not to do, and they would give you a very good overview of what to expect and guide you throughout the week for you to make the most out of it. If you happen to have a chance to meet them, don't just leave it at the small talk. Have a conversation, ask them things, and yeah. So here are a few other tips that I would actually give. First of all, take note of the time zones. If you're coming from Malawi like myself or any other zones that are different from Las Vegas, it might be quite challenging for you to adjust because the time that you're up there is the time that you're supposed to be asleep back at home. But the good thing about me is that I am always active during the night, so it wasn't quite difficult for me, and yeah, so I enjoyed every bit of it. But if you're going there and then you're always active during the day, it may be difficult for you. Secondly, always have snacks and water. The sessions are so long and you may actually get hungry and you also want to stay hydrated. But the good thing is that there are always snacks all over the place, like free snacks. So make sure you grab one, make sure you have a bottle. Oh well, they give you a bottle, so you make sure you just fill it out with water. You don't want to be dehydrated and also hungry during the sessions. You may not get anything from there. And lastly, charge your devices. Yes, they may have charging ports, but there are like a lot of people that are actually looking forward to charging their phones as well, or their laptops, their tablets, or whatever it is, whatever gadgets that you actually want to be using. So just make sure that by the time that you're leaving the hotel room, everything is charged, and if you have a power bank, that's much better. And yeah, because you will spend the whole day, literally the whole day, from morning to evening at the conference centers. So yeah, so that's my honest reflection on preparing for AWS reInvent. In as much as I did not prepare so well as I could have, I really did have a great time. I enjoyed every moment of it and I had memorable experience there. And yeah, I hope that this video is going to help you prepare much better and have the best or even better experience at the AWS reInvent. Until next time, bye.